I didn't sleep that well. Time to get up for breakfast. Dun dun, breakfast is served. We've got 3 eggs, and then we've got cereal, and milk, and a coffee. Water with creatine. Egg time. We got muesli, 1 rice cracker, and some fruit and almonds. Yum yum. Going back to bed to have a coffee and watch some YouTube and get up and do something later.
Oh my god, good morning you guys, welcome back to the vlog and thank you for tuning in. We have the Liberty Walk wide body Ferrari 458, we have the twin turbo C8 Corvette, also known as Phoenix, and then, wait a minute, my Z06 is back in my garage, and...
Sweet home Alabama. Sophia, do you like these shoes better, or do you like these shoes better?
First ones.
What shirt do I wear today? I want the whole world to know. I would never cut up a Ferrari. I would never wide body a 458. Do I go with the Ferrari shorts or just like the normal pants?
I think we do the full Ferrari.
Yes. This is the best I've ever looked in my entire life, right?
Absolutely, you've never looked any
The Ferrari red, it accentuates my calf muscles. Look at that. So we're going hypercar shopping today, and you probably could guess what hypercar we're driving today. It's called the Ferrari. La Ferrari. Not much?
It's time to cook lunch. Brewing a coffee, got steak cooking. Lunch is nearly there, and this is for Bubbles. Here you go. You can have some steak for lunch. Today for lunch we've got a coffee, we've got avocado on pita bread wholemeal, piece of steak, black beans and some spinach, avocado, and we've got pizza and hot chili sauce and creatine in the water. Yummy, let's dig in. Yeah, I've looked up spinach, it's very good for you. It's a must have, very good for you. Yum. So I just had a nice lunch, uploaded a video this morning onto my channel, and I watched some YouTube. I'll probably go for a walk later and try and upload another one. Had an afternoon sleep, fell asleep for a couple of hours, been editing videos. I'll tell you what, it takes forever. I'll try and finish 2 today. Tonight for dinner is chicken teriyaki with white rice with chili on top. Yum yum, dig in. Time to go for a walk. I had a good leg workout yesterday. My legs are still sore. I'm just down here on the jetty, on the pier, watching the sun go down. Another day is nearly over. If someone was to say why I don't take protein powder, I've tried it many times on and off over my life. I've tried Optimum Nutrition, and I've tried cheap brands, KC and all that. I'd have to say it's like, after spending heaps of money and heaps of time trying it, that I've come to the conclusion that it's just a waste of money. You're better off just buying food. It's time to cook my last meal for the day. You want your last meal too, don't you? Alright, it's cooked. We've got crunchy peanut butter on wholemeal pita bread, and then we've got some chicken, some spinach, and some cabbage. Yum. Like this burger sauce. Yum.